Ever been hit with excess baggage fees at the airport? Understanding your airline's baggage policy is key. Each airline has unique rules regarding weight limits, dimensions, and the number of bags allowed. So before you start packing, take a few minutes to check your airline's baggage allowance. Remember, the golden rule of avoiding excess baggage fees is to pack only what you truly need. Make a list of essentials and versatile clothing. Think mix and match to minimize. So pack smart and travel light. To avoid any last-minute surprises at the airport, consider investing in a portable luggage scale. This nifty gadget ensures you stay within weight limits. It's a small investment that can save you from hefty fees. Got heavy jackets, boots, or other bulky items? Wear them during your flight. This saves space and reduces luggage weight, so don't pack it, wear it. Most airlines allow you to bring one carry-on bag and a personal item. Maximize this by stowing essentials, valuables, even a change of clothes. So pack your carry-on wisely. Want to fit more items into your bags? Try compression bags or packing cubes. They organize and compress clothing, saving valuable luggage space. So compress and organize for more space. And here's a couple more tips for you. Consider shipping items, sharing luggage, or joining loyalty programs. Remember, a well-planned trip starts with smart packing. Happy travels!